Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just recently made another order from Cruelty Free Shop NZ, which is one of my favourite places to go to when I need to get some type of vegan product that is probably not going to be in my local supermarket. Local supermarkets are getting so much better in terms of what they stock, but there are still those things that they don't have, and when that happens, Cruelty Free Shop is one of a couple of places that I go to get those types of things. And when I got my order, I decided to add in it this bag here, which is a little thing they do called a random snacks of kindness box. And I actually got one of these like 3 or 4 years ago before I was actually vegan, and I tried some of the things in there and I thought I would do it again because I'm making videos now and I am actually vegan now as well, so it seemed like a good time to do another round of them. They actually popped these into the order as a little free sample thing, and these are really interesting. It's Choco No-Nos by the company No Way Foods, way like W-H-E-E, see what they did there? I do. But what these are is kind of like M&M's or Smarties or something, but instead of having just chocolate or peanut or something in the inside, they have lentils, which I thought was really weird. But basically they don't have milk in them, obviously. They don't have any type of nuts, they don't have soy, any of that kind of stuff. So if you're someone who is like allergic to nuts, which I thank God am not, then these would be a good thing for you. But yeah, it's just, you know, the lentil and then some chocolate on the outside and then the coloured coating. And yeah, like I said, I was thinking to myself, how is this going to work with a lentil inside? That sounds really weird, but actually you can't really taste it at all, and it just tastes pretty much the exact same as a normal M&M. Like the chocolate one, not the crispy one, not the peanut one, but just the normal ones. And even my husband, who is not vegan at all, said that he thought they taste the same. So there you go. But anyway, I'm gonna have this and let's get into the bag. Probably gonna end up with lipstick all over my face, so let's just not worry too much about that, shall we? And get into it. Right, let's look at this. Okay, first thing we have is Brussels sprout puffs from Vegan Robs, and I'm super excited to try these because the last order that I made from Cruelty Free Shop NZ, previous to this one, the free thing that they popped in was a bag of their beetroot puff things, and I don't really like beetroot that much. If it's like a beetroot hummus or something where it's just in a little, you know, a little bit of it in some kind of form that's not just a slice of beetroot, then it's okay. But like I say, I can't have the big slices of beetroot, so I was a bit worried that a chip that was just beetroot, even though it wouldn't be in puff form, I was worried that that wouldn't be my thing. But they were actually pretty good. I don't know how Brussels sprouts will be. I've never had a Brussels sprout in any form, so that will be more of an interesting experience. But let's see, let's give it a go, and hopefully I won't sit here and just eat most of the pack, because that is what I did with the beetroot ones when I tried them. But yeah, they look a much more normal colour. The beetroot ones were obviously that bright purple red kind of colour, so we'll see what happens with these ones at least. Good so far. Okay, they taste very similar to the beetroot ones. Good, but I'm feeling like whatever vegetable you use to make the puffs is not particularly relevant to the flavour, because yeah, it basically tastes like the beetroot ones taste, so just kind of like a puff of puffy veggie stuff, with a sort of, you know, you get the taste of whatever seasoning that they've used, but not a lot else. So it's a good kind of thing for just mindlessly snacking on, but it's not always the best thing to be doing. But yeah, pretty good. Pretty happy with those. I will definitely finish that pack at some stage, but not right now because we've got other stuff to get to. So I'm just going to stick my hand in, slide the next thing out, and it is, oh no, I'm definitely not going to like this. I'm definitely not going to even try this, I don't think, because this is a fishless tuna. lemon pepper flavour by the brand Loma Lunda, and I've got nothing against their brand, what they're trying to do, good on them. I know a lot of people like tuna, or liked tuna, and so providing them with a vegan alternative for that is awesome. It's just not a product that I would ever go for, because I always have hated tuna, especially the kind like this that you would get in cans or sort of packs like this. I absolutely hate it. Not only did I not eat it myself, but if anyone tried to eat it near me, I would run in the other direction. It is just something that I had a very strong aversion to. So yeah, if I ate this, I would be like hoping that it was terrible at being tuna-like. But yeah, if you have tried this, let us know in the comments. Is it like tuna? If you like tuna, so do you think it's a good product? If you are somebody that likes tuna and you want a vegan version of it, but yeah, not my thing. Next thing is a chocolate hazelnut cream. Okay, I'm super excited to try this. I will definitely have to give my husband a sip of this and see what he thinks of it as well, because he is the type of person that like he loves condensed milk, and he also loves like Nutella and things like that. He's a very sweet tooth type of person, so if this is good, this is going to be something that he will probably enjoy, and I probably won't get to have a lot of it. Oh, it's made in Poland, that's cool. I love this little sloth that is on the front. Okay, let's have a little taste. That's good. Oh my god. I'm gonna give that to him, and he's probably just going to wolf it down in like 2 gulps, which I wouldn't do because it's very, very sweet and very thick. Obviously, it's cream. But yeah, that was pretty delicious, I have got to say. We'll see. Next thing, Sweet William chocolate with rice crackle. I've heard of the brand Sweet William a lot. I see them a lot on different websites and things like that, but I've never actually tried any of their stuff, because I just don't typically eat a ton of chocolate and things like that. But yeah, definitely heard of them, so I'm excited to have an opportunity to try their stuff. I'll just have a little nibble off the end. So yeah, it's got a rice crackle, so that's going to be pretty good, I think. You can kind of see it there on the back. It's good. I like that. I like the combo. I like when there's a different kind of texture in a chocolate, you know? As long as it's not something horrible. But a rice crackle is good. I like that. Yay! I'm so happy to have one of these. I got one of these in my first mystery box that I got years ago. And it was the first time I had tried any fake meat. These little space bar chorizo stick things, they are so nice. I'm not going to try it right now because I don't want to unwrap it. I want to maybe make a paella or something to chop this up in, because yeah, when I tried it back then, I was quite nervous because, like I said, I hadn't tried any fake meats before, so I was thinking this isn't going to be good. I was a little apprehensive about it, but it was so good. It had the texture really on point to how chorizo is. The flavour that they gave me on that occasion, I can't remember exactly what it was, but it wasn't just like a straight, simple chorizo flavour. It was some other kind of seasoning, and it was something that I didn't love as much, but I could tell by the texture that if I were to go for the chorizo, regular, whatever you want to call it, flavour, that I would love it. So I'm so happy that that was in there. And who is this by? Wheatie. That's the brand that does them. So yeah. Oh, cute. It's a little meat-free pate. I will definitely try this. Pate is not something that I ever had before going vegan. It was something that always, just the idea of it turned me off always, and it's never been something that I had any desire to try, but I will try this because all the ingredients in it are things that I like, so I probably am going to like this. What's in it is kidney beans, chickpeas, tomatoes, garlic, sesame seeds, olives, citric acid, cold pressed sunflower, oil, salt, oregano, and basil. So I would say I'm going to really enjoy that. I'm not going to open it now and have it now because I don't think it's going to be at its best just kind of on its own. But what I will do is when I try it, I will leave a little comment down below with what I thought of it. So if anyone is watching this at a later date, they can see what I thought about it. Is there anything left? Oh yes, there's a couple things. Last two things. Let's get them out. Organic dried banana chunks from Samoa. This looks like a really fun thing, but again, is probably something that I am not going to enjoy just because I'm really sorry, but I absolutely hate bananas. I know that's going to be kind of a crazy thing to say to a lot of people who love them, but I just really don't like them. I just don't. I don't know why. But yeah, if this brand has other kind of things of this nature that aren't banana, I will probably be all about them. And then this is a broccoli cheese soup, and this is obviously something that I'm not going to be able to try on camera because I gotta make the soup. But I will give this a go. There was is it Leahy or Lay's? I don't know, but I got a thing from this brand in my box that I got a few years ago. It wasn't the broccoli cheese soup. It was, I think, like a mac and cheese or... No, I think it was a soup, but it was not this soup. It was some other kind of soup. It was like more of a broth type of soup, more of a thing that you'd kind of have when you're sick type of soup. And I didn't like it. I did not enjoy it, I will tell you that. But I will give this one a go because I like broccoli and I like cheese. So I don't know why I wouldn't like this soup. So again, I will put in the comments what I think of it once I get a chance to actually try it. And yeah, that is everything that I got in my box. So a few misses in there, but some definite hits and things that I am really excited to have. Definitely more hits than misses, so that is good. And you never know what you're going to get with these mystery things. And if you've got things that you just dislike, that other people tend to not dislike so much, then you kind of have to have your expectations adjusted accordingly. So yeah, I will continue eating these for now since I've already opened them and made some good progress. And I will see you guys in the next video, which I hope to have up very soon after this one. So see you then, and bye. Have an amazing day. Try this.
What is it?
Unscrew the cap like...
Not bad.
I thought you would enjoy it more than me.
It's organic.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
vegan.
That is a shame, but, you know, the vegan part's not a shame. The organic part, I mean. But yeah, it has a cute sloth on the front.
Do you not want this?
I mean, it's not that I don't. I just thought you would enjoy it more than I would.
It's nice, yeah, I suppose.
Seeing as you're the one that sort of tends to guzzle things like this.
Mm.
Do you want
Sure.
it? Sorry. There you go.
Is the snack you're not enjoying?
No, I did enjoy it, but I just as soon as I tasted it and realised I enjoyed it, I was like, this is going to be Zach's
I see.
jam.